Educational technology isn't just keeping pace, it's setting the pace. From gamification to virtual reality, today's tools are reshaping how we design, deliver, and experience learning. Ready to explore what's hot and what actually works? Let's dive in. Gamification is where learning meets play. We're talking badges, points, leaderboards, and quests, all designed to motivate, not just entertain. Example: badges for completing tasks, leaderboards for tracking progress, challenges that turn assignments into epic quests. Pro tip: gamification works best when it supports your learning objectives, not when it replaces them. Keep the fun focused. Imagine having a personal tutor for every student. That's adaptive learning, using AI and data to personalize each learner's path. Why it works: real-time feedback, targeted support, smarter pacing. Platforms to check out: Newton adjusts content difficulty based on learner progress, and Dreambox offers real-time math lessons tailored for K-8 students. Who says learning can't happen on the go? Mobile learning, or mLearning, lets learners access content anytime, anywhere, from buses to break rooms. Best practices: design for small screens, keep content responsive and lightweight, use microlearning, bite-sized lessons for fast, effective learning. Real-world example: Duolingo offers daily 5-minute language lessons, and corporate apps provide quick compliance or skills training. With VR and AR, you can turn learning into an experience. Virtual labs let students experiment safely in a fully virtual environment, and AR textbooks let you scan a page to watch a 3D model come to life. Heads up: not every learner or budget has access to this tech. Plus, tech hiccups can derail the magic. Use it where it fits, not just because it's cool. Now, let's talk platforms. The right tools can power up your instructional design, but only if you know what they do best. Kajabi. More than just an LMS, it helps you build, sell, and manage your courses and your business. Key features: drag and drop course creation, email sequences to nurture learners, built-in sales and analytics tools. Tip: use Kajabi's analytics to tweak your content and keep your audience engaged. Want to create interactive, scenario-based learning? Articulate 360 has you covered. Best tools: Storyline 360 for custom branching and simulations, Rise 360 for fast, mobile-ready modules. Tip: use Storyline for complex learning journeys, Rise for quick rollouts across devices. If customization is your thing, Moodle's your platform. Key features include course creation with quizzes, assignments, and forums, and a plug-in ecosystem for gamification, analytics, and more. Tip: use Moodle's plugin library to fine-tune your course to your audience. Tools are great, but strategy is greater. Before adding anything flashy, ask, does this align with my learning objectives? Make every tool and platform serve the learner, not distract from the content. Educational technology isn't just about keeping up, it's about leveling up. When used intentionally, these trends don't just support learning, they transform it. So go ahead, experiment, integrate, adapt, because the future of learning, it's already here. Catch us in the next session. Sharing time. Which educational technology trend are you most excited to try in your own teaching or course design, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's share ideas and learn from each other. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified. Thank you for viewing.